Hello students, welcome to Srini's Math. Today we are going to discuss about class 10, unit 4 quadratic equations, exercise 4.1, question 2. Question number 2. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equation. The area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So it's a rectangular plot. Length is twice its breadth, then one more. So we fix the breadth value is x and the length is twice its breadth and one more. So 2x plus 1. Then the area is 528 meter square. So we need to represent in the situation in the form of quadratic equations only. So no need to find the x. So what's the formula? Area of rectangle is length times breadth. So this is equal to 2x plus 1 times x. So now 2x square plus x. So this value is equal to 528. And we need to convert in the form of quadratic equations. And one more thing, the maximum power must be positive. So this part is moving to here. So 2x square plus x and the 528 is moving to another side is a minus 528. So this part is similar to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 format. Then maximum power is also 2. So this is quadratic equation. And the values of a is equal to 2, then b is equal to 1, then c is equal to minus 528. Question number 2. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integers. So assume the first integer x and second one is x plus 1. The reason it's a consecutive. So then the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. So the meaning x times of x plus 1 is equal to 306. So then your product x square plus x is equal to 306. So now this one is moving to here. So x square plus x minus 306, it is equal to 0. And the maximum power is 2. So this part is a quadratic equation. And we can able to write in this form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 format. So now the values of a is equal to 1 and the b value is equal to 1. So then the c part is minus 306. Third question. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Then the product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. You like to find the Rogan's percentage. So just convert the quadratic part. So first, Rogan's mother is 26 years older than him. So we assume the Rogan's age is x. Now the Rohan's mom's age so 26 is more than him. So that means x plus 26. Then the product of their ages 3 years from now. So 3 years from means so just adding 3 for both them. Rogan's age is x plus 3 and Rogan's mother age is x plus 26 and plus 3. So that is equal to x plus 29. Then the product value is 360. Now x plus 3 and x plus 29 is equal to 360. So then product of each and every term. So x square then plus 29x plus 3x plus 3 times of 29, that is equal to 87. So this value is 360. Then moving to left side. So x square, then combine the like term, plus 29 plus 2, sorry 3, that is equal to 32, x plus 87. So then 360 is moving to left, it will become minus 360. So now x square plus 32x, then positive 87, negative 360. So this is equal to minus 273. So now the maximum power is 2. So we can able to write in the form of quadratic equation. So what is the expression? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now compare the value of a is equal to 1. The value of b is equal to 32. Then the c is equal to minus 273. Question number 4. A train travels a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So assume then speed of train is equal to x kilometer per hour. Then it's a uniform speed. What is the timing? So time is equal to distance by speed. So distance value is 480 kilometer, it's a fixing. So then the speed is x. So the next part, if the speed has been reducing, that means minus 8, x minus 8, it will take 3 more hours. So the difference is the same distance 480, then 8 km per hour is less, so x minus 8, then the actual timing, so 480 divided by x, it is equal to 3 hours, so 3. Then convert the common denominator. If anything is common, you just take it out. So 480 is common, then 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 divided by x, so then 3, and we can able to cancel 3 and 180 also. So just get the zeros. 16 times 3, that is equal to 48. So it will become 160. So now also we need to cross product. 160, then x minus x minus 8 then divided by x minus 8 times x is equal to 1. Then 160 times x minus of x, then minus into minus is positive, so it is positive 8, and this part is moving to here. It is equal to x minus 8 times x. So after simplify, x square minus 8x. In the like time, x and minus x is cancelled. Then 160 times 8 is equal to x square minus 8x. So now 160 times 8, that is equal to 1280. So this value is x square minus 8x. So now the maximum term must be positive. So this part is moved to here. X square minus 8x then minus 1280 is equal to 0. So now the maximum power is 2. So this one we can able to rewrite in the form of quadratic equation. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now the values of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to minus 1280. Thank you.